This video is for a question on YouTube. How to mix the wood cleaner from Stain and Sil Experts. And the tanks here are 16 gallons each. So this one is the wood cleaner and stripper whenever needed. And this one over here is oxalic acid or wood brightener. It's a little chilly this morning, so my fingertips are fragile. So this is an older bottle. You can see it's white. They've changed their color, kind of color coded for you guys, so it's yellow now. So this says the deck actually I'm doing today, I'm gonna go with like a medium mix, so half a cup per gallon. And again, this is 16 gallons. So we need 8 cups, or a total of 64 ounces. So we need 2 of these in one 16-gallon jug tank in order to get the ratio of a semi-dirty deck. And again, this is just different colors because they started dyeing the cleaner recently. So before I pour it in, I like to put a little bit of water in first. Again, I'm going to do another one to get the ratio that I want out of it. So the wood brightener tank is pretty much empty, and I'm just going to be doing that one on the job site today. Alright, and a little trick to make sure the wood cleaner sticks on just a little bit and does its job. I put a little bit of soap in there. Stir it up. There's already some soap from previous jobs, so the suds are in there. I don't want to be rinsing all day. And then I got an old flagpole. Just mix it up a little bit, and then obviously when I'm driving, it'll mix more. There you go. Wood cleaner from Stain and Sil Experts.